Imagine walking 470 kilometers, alone, with no money, just to chase a dream. A poor village boy did exactly that, and built a billion-dollar empire. Now, let me ask you, have you ever seen the famous LV logo? What if I told you that Louis Vuitton's journey was not just about fashion, but about determination, risk-taking, and a secret formula for success? In this video, I will reveal the untold story of Louis Vuitton and the powerful lessons you can learn from his journey. And here's the best part. While learning this incredible success story, you will also improve your English. You will practice real-life sentences, expand your vocabulary, and sound more confident when speaking. Yes, throughout this video, I will ask you to repeat sentences after me for practice. This way, you will learn English and success secrets at the same time. Now, repeat after me. 1. I am ready to learn the secrets of success. I am ready to learn the secrets of success. 2. I am ready to think like a winner. I am ready to think like a winner. 3. I am ready to change my future. I am ready to change my future. Are you ready? Then, let's begin. Chapter 1. The Poor Boy who walked 470 kilometers for a better life. Louis Vuitton was born in 1821 in a small village in France. His family was very poor, and life was tough. At the age of 13, his mother passed away, his father remarried, and his stepmother was cruel to him. Louis felt trapped. He had no future in the village. But deep inside, he had a dream. He wanted to do something big. He wanted to escape poverty. So, at the age of 14, he made a bold decision. He left home forever. But he had no money for a horse, carriage, or train. So, guess what he did? He walked. He walked 470 kilometers, 292 miles, from his village to Paris. It took him more than 2 years to reach the city, working small jobs along the way. Finally, at the age of 16, he arrived in Paris. But Paris was not the dream city he imagined. It was dirty, overcrowded, and full of struggles. But Louis did not give up. He was determined to succeed. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. I will never give up. No matter how hard life gets. I will never give up, no matter how hard life gets. 2. Every big success starts with a dream. Every big success starts with a dream. 3. I am strong enough to face any challenge. I am strong enough to face any challenge. Comment below. What is the biggest challenge you have overcome in life? Share your story. Chapter 2. The boy who became the personal boxmaker of a queen. In Paris, Louis looked for work. He had no experience, but he was good with his hands. So, he became an apprentice to a boxmaker and packer. Back then, traveling was a luxury, and rich people needed boxes to carry their clothes and belongings. Louis worked day and night, learning how to make perfect travel boxes. His skill became so good that he caught the attention of royalty. One day, de Montijo, the wife of Emperor Napoleon III, asked him to be her personal boxmaker. Imagine that. A poor village boy now worked for the Queen of France. This was his big break. Rich people started noticing his craftsmanship. More orders came in. His reputation grew, and in 1854, at the age of 33, Louis Vuitton finally opened his own workshop in Paris. His dream was coming true. Your English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Opportunities come to those who work hard. Opportunities come to those who work hard. 2. Success takes time, patience, and skill. Success takes time, patience, and skill. 3. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Comment below. Have you ever worked hard to master a skill? What skill are you learning now? Chapter 3. The Genius Who Revolutionized Travel Forever. At that time, travel boxes were heavy and had rounded tops. Why? Because they were designed to let rainwater slide off. But Louis noticed a problem. Rounded boxes were difficult to stack. So, he created a genius innovation, the flat-top trunk. His new travel trunks were flat and stackable, lightweight, made of waterproof canvas. This invention changed travel forever. People loved his design. His business boomed. But success brought enemies. Copycats tried to steal his ideas. So, Louis came up with another brilliant idea. He created a special striped pattern on his trunks so no one could copy them. This was the beginning of Louis Vuitton's iconic brand identity. English practice. Repeat after me. 1. Innovation is the key to success. Innovation is the key to success. 2. I can solve problems with creativity. I can solve problems with creativity. 3. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Comment below. Have you ever solved a problem with a creative idea? Share your experience. Chapter 4. The War That Almost Destroyed Everything. In 1870, the Franco-Prussian War broke out. Paris was attacked. The city was in chaos. Louis's workshop was destroyed. He lost everything. For months, he had no business, no money, and no hope. But he did not give up. After the war, he rebuilt his workshop from scratch. And this time, he expanded. He created new designs and introduced the pod/the Bijan brown checkerboard pattern. This pattern became a symbol of luxury. Wealthy travelers from around the world rushed to buy his trunks. Louis Vuitton was now an international name. Your English-speaking practice. Repeat after me. 1. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. 2. I will rise again after every failure. I will rise again after every failure. 3. Success is about persistence. Success is about persistence. Comment below. Have you ever faced a big setback? How did you overcome it? Chapter 5. The Legacy That Lives Forever. In 1892, at the age of 70, Louis Vuitton passed away. But his son, Georges Vuitton, had a bigger vision. He wanted to turn Louis Vuitton into a global empire. In 1896, he created the LV monogram, one of the most famous logos in the world today. Under his leadership, Louis Vuitton expanded to London, New York, and beyond. By the 1900s, LV trunks were a status symbol for the rich and famous. And today, Louis Vuitton is worth $500 billion. Celebrities, royals, and world leaders wear LV. The brand remains a symbol of luxury and success. All of this started with a poor boy who never gave up on his dream. Your English speaking practice. Repeat after me. 1. I will build a legacy that lasts. I will build a legacy that lasts. 2. My dreams are possible with hard work. My dreams are possible with hard work. 3. Success is about vision and determination. Success is about vision and determination. Comment below. What is your dream? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Your success starts today. Now, you have learned the incredible success story of Louis Vuitton. But remember, just knowing this story is not enough. You have to apply the lessons. So, here's your challenge. Pick one lesson from this story and apply it today. Will you never give up on your dreams like Louis Vuitton? Will you find creative solutions to problems? Or will you build a skill that makes you stand out? Comment below and let me know which lesson inspired you the most. Your journey to success starts now.